What's up guys, it's Logan here from the Motorcycle Forge, and those of you who are observant will notice that this is not the original garage. I have a new house, bigger garage, more motorbike stuff, more engineering stuff. And that is the reason I haven't been posting the last couple of months. I've been flat sticks, trying to get this in some sort of order so that I can actually make new videos and produce new things in the garage. Now I've divided this up into two areas. We've got this is sort of the workshop area, this is the clean area, and over here this is the messy area. So this is going to be where the grinding, machining, welding, all that sort of stuff happens. Now I've got a couple big projects in mind that I'm working on, trying to suss out all the details. I'm going to try and make a cylinder head from scratch for the race bike. So that's a big one, that's going to take a lot of time and effort. So there's going to be a few videos on that in the near future. And I want to make my own chassis as well for the race bike. Now the next video is coming out. It's probably going to be some fabrication things where I'm making things for the workshop, doing some welding, machining, stuff like that, getting it set up so it's all ready to go, and then I can just get to it. And that's about it for now. So this has been Logan from the Motorcycle Forge. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll catch you next time.